Hi guys, if you're trying to connect to the internet on your Windows computer but it just displays the message no internet secured, like you see on the screen here, then keep watching as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy solutions. Now the very first thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu and we're going to search for Device Manager and then head over to the Device Manager tab. Inside of this list we need to come down to Network Adapters and expand this. And you need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Now mine's this Intel Wi-Fi 1 here, and you'll just need to locate yours from the list. It should have Wi-Fi within the name. And we're going to right click this and come into Update Driver. And then we can press Search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, I'm already running the latest driver for my device. And if that's also the case for you, you can then close out of these windows. And the next thing you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for CMD. And then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Inside of here, we're just going to type in the following command: net sh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. And then you'll need to type in net sh space winsock space reset and hit enter. And lastly, we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and then hit enter. And once you've entered those commands, we can then close out of the command prompt window. And we're going to head over to our Start menu and you need to search for Control Panel and then head over to the Control Panel app. Inside of here, make sure the view by is set to large icons and we're then going to come over to Internet Options and head over to the Connections tab from the top here. Down in this section at the bottom where it says Local Area LAN Settings, and you need to click this LAN Settings button. Now down here where it says Proxy Server, you just need to ensure that this is left unchecked, like you see on the screen here. And then we can hit OK to save these changes. And once again, we can press OK. We're then going to change the view by here from large icons to category and come inside of Network and Internet, inside of Network and Sharing Center, and then press Change Adapter Settings from the left-hand side here. And you need to locate the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to from this list. So mine's this network here. And we're going to right click on this and come into Properties. And inside of this list, we'll have two things in here. One of them's Internet Protocol version 4, which we need to keep checked. And there'll be another one called Internet Protocol version 6, and it's important that you have this one unchecked, as this can cause this error message. So make sure you've unchecked this, and we're then going to press OK to save the changes. And then you'll need to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter again, come over to Properties, and this time select Internet Protocol version 4. And we're going to come into Properties and just make sure Obtain DNS Server Address automatically is selected here. If you are using the following DNS server addresses and you have some numbers down here, just make sure to change this to Obtain DNS Server Address automatically and hit OK. And then we can close out of this window. And we're then going to right click on our network and come over to Disable. And we can right click it again and then just select Enable. And we can then close out of this window. And hopefully by now that should have fixed your issue. If you still are experiencing problems, the last thing we can do is head over to our Start menu and search for Settings, and then head over to the Settings app. From the left here, come over to Network and Internet, and we're going to scroll all the way down to Advanced Network Settings, and then scroll down to this More Settings section and click Network Reset, and then go ahead and press Reset Now. Now, this will require you to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, that should have fixed any network issues you are experiencing. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.